Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about how to cook a salmon on a stove top. First thing you do is heat 5 to 10 minutes. Turn on the air filter. Put a light oil when you see steam showing up. I'll turn off the light so you guys can see the steam. And all you gotta do is just use this wooden spoon, this piece of salmon, salt it, and then cut up some fresh ginger, pat it dry, put on the side, and chop up some sauteed peppers and start the cooking process. I'll pause it and then I'll explain the result in a few minutes. Okay, after you put the fish from the side and slide it down. Yeah, sure, it's on high heat, but then you later turn it down to about 8 or 7, and then just start it shake this, which should prevent from sticking. And then next you do is you took about 7 minutes per side, and then flip it over another 7 minutes, and then you later throw in the ginger. You'll get the ginger out, cook for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and then you take it out, put it on a plate. In order to begin, you can use the same plate, just rewash it, and then with the damp cloth, and then it'll be pretty much a go. I'll show you the end result in a few minutes. In about 10 or 15 minutes, you do 7.5 minutes per side, and then continue to shake. And then you flip it over with about 7 minutes. Started at 4:05. Right now it's 4:08. I'll see you guys in the next 7.5 minutes on the other side. Alright, while it's cooking, all you gotta do is just maintain it. When you wanna flip the fish, just go like this, down on a wok, and then reflip, and then it'll back up the fish to the exact angle. Wear gloves because it's like high intensity oil. Because I cook at the fast temperature first, then I decrease like from 9 to 8, 7, 6, all the way to 5, and then close it, finish. I'll show you the end result when it comes up. Right now it's 4:10. See you in about 5 minutes. Okay, next thing you do is from the beginning, this is the type of oil I use, totally extra virgin olive oil, which is very good for fish. And then you add like a small amount, and then you just rotate it for about 2 minutes until you see like some steam going up. And then you pretty much put on the fish, start from the side, slide it straight down, and then you cook on the side. I already see the skin side. The skin side is lightly brown, but it's not complete yet, because I did it for about 3 minutes. And then this is the 3 minutes for the other side. You just pat it down, maintain visual contact. This is already ready for the scorch for the ginger. You don't want to cook too long for ginger, because you'll get it black in the end. That's it. Watch this. Oh, right in. It'll be like that. It's a simple flip, but you got to bend downward in order to flip it. And right now it's like brown skin. Turn off the lights so you can see a little better. And I'll show you the end result when it's completely finished. See you guys in about 10 minutes. Okay, next thing you do is put the peppers in it. Saute for about 1 to 2 minutes, which is a light caramelization, and then you put it back on the plate. And then later, everything will be like organized. It'll be like the fish right here, the ginger on top, the peppers on the side. I'll show you the end result when it happens. See you in about 5 minutes. It took a little earlier than expected. This is the finished result, because it typically ran out of oil in the end. So it cooked it a little bit faster than intended. So after you do it, just like put the peppers on the side, however you like. This is just a simple homemade one. For the restaurant one, I would just do like a nice something like glaze, something like a fish sauce or some type of light vinaigrette. Squirt it right here, and then put a little sprinkle of black pepper, and put some sauteed vegetables, like some green beans on the side. You can put sweet peppers if you want, and to make it more colorful, and then add a little ginger, and then put a little fresh squeeze of lime, and then put on the side so the customers can use it. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video to everyone so they know how to make a simple salmon sauteed with just herbals, Chinese seasoning version, or